In this video, I want to show you a label report that I created that prompts you to put in a starting label number. Sometimes you have sheets of labels that already have the first few labels used, and you want the data to start at a certain label. And so I'll show you how it works. If you run the report and prompt for new parameters, I'm going to have this start at label 3, and you can see when you run it, this label's blank, 1, 2, and it starts at label 3. And so you can have it start at any label number on the sheet. So basically I needed to create a command for this, SQL command. And I'll just briefly show you what that looks like. So basically, what it's doing is it's inserting nulls. It's based on your start label position. It's inserting nulls to the data set for the first however many labels you want to be blank. It will insert nulls, so they will show up blank. And then the data comes in after that. And so that is my SQL query, you can see. And then let's just run it. We'll start at label 7, say OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's that. And then for the barcode, that's just a barcode font, and